In this video, we're going to show you how to connect QuickBooks or Xero to Shopify for accounting. Keeping your financial records accurate is essential for any online business. When you connect Shopify to accounting tools like QuickBooks or Xero, your sales, taxes, expenses, and customer transactions are automatically synced into your accounting system. This reduces manual data entry, minimizes errors, and gives you a clear, real-time view of your business finances. The good news is that Shopify supports integration with both QuickBooks and Xero through official apps and third-party connectors. By the end of this video, you'll know how to install the integration app, connect your accounting account, and configure automatic data sync. So let's get started. The first method is to install the accounting integration app. Log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left navigation menu, click Apps, then open the Shopify App Store. Search for either QuickBooks or Xero, depending on the accounting system you use. Select an official or trusted integration app, then click Install. After installation, connect your accounting account. Log in to your QuickBooks or Xero account when prompted, and authorize Shopify to access your financial data. This allows the systems to communicate and sync transactions securely. Next, configure your sync settings. Choose what data you want to import, such as orders, refunds, taxes, shipping fees, and customer information. You can also decide how frequently data should sync, whether in real time or scheduled intervals. Make sure your tax settings are aligned between Shopify and your accounting system to avoid discrepancies in reporting. After configuration, run a test sync. Create a test order in Shopify and confirm that it appears correctly in QuickBooks or Xero. Check that totals, taxes, and fees are recorded accurately. If anything looks incorrect, adjust your mapping settings before continuing. It's also a good idea to review your chart of accounts inside QuickBooks or Xero to ensure everything is properly categorized. This helps maintain clean financial records and simplifies reporting later. In most situations, these steps are all you need to successfully integrate Shopify with your accounting software. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, install the QuickBooks or Xero integration app from the Shopify App Store. Second, connect your accounting account and configure data sync settings. And third, test the integration to ensure financial data is syncing correctly. Remember that proper accounting integration helps you save time, reduce manual errors, and maintain accurate financial reporting. It also makes tax filing and business analysis much easier as your store grows. And that's how to connect QuickBooks or Xero to Shopify for accounting. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify feature you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.